Good morning, boys and girls. So I wanted to give you a little quick tutorial on the three types of fractions. This will be helpful when you do the exercise called, or the quiz called fractions less than, more than. So you have a fraction, let's say like 3/4, or 1/4, or 1/8, or 2/3, or 0/4. These are your common fractions, okay? And your common fractions, these fractions are all less than 1, okay? They're less than 1. How do I know that? Because the top number, the numerator, okay, these are called the numerators, are all smaller than the bottom numbers, the denominators, or denominator. We're talking about just one of them. So notice how the top number is less than the bottom number. So that's a clue. So these are all less than 1. If I drew a picture of it, let's say I take 3/4. That's a brownie, one brownie, that's cut into 4 pieces, and I shade in or eat 3 of them. Notice that that's less than 1 whole. Okay? All right, and then we have something called improper fractions. All right, and these are fractions where the numerator is bigger than the bottom number, the denominator. So like 8/3, or 5/4, or 8/7, 9/2. All right, in this situation, these fractions are greater than 1 or more than 1. All right, how do I know that? So let's take 5/4, for example, right? 5/4 would be 2 brownies cut into fourths. Just like so. But I would have to eat 5 of them. So I would eat 1 whole brownie, which is 4/4, and 1 extra from the other brownie. So you can see this is larger than 1 brownie. Here, the common fractions, you have less than 1 brownie eaten, 3/4. Here we have 5/4. Let's label that, which is more than 1 brownie. Then you have mixed numbers. Okay, a mixed number really is a whole number and a fraction put together. So that would be 1 1/4, or 2 3/8, or 5 1/6. Okay, notice there's a big number and a fraction. So these numbers are obviously bigger than 1. Okay, so just like improper fractions, they're greater than 1 as well. Now, what about fractions that are equal to 1? Well, those are fractions where the top number and the bottom number are the same. So if I make a little column here, equal to 1, all right, these are fractions where the top number and the bottom number are the same. So that would be like 3/3, 4/4, 10/10. You can go on forever and do this. So three types of fractions. You have the common fractions, the numerator smaller than the denominator. You have the improper fractions, the numerator bigger than the denominator, greater than 1. You have mixed numbers, all right, where you have a whole number and a fraction put together. These are obviously bigger than 1. And then the fractions that are equal to 1 are the fractions where the top and the bottom number, the numerator and the denominator, are the same. So review this as often as you like, and good luck on the quiz. Bye now.